What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, we just got a brand new update of One UI 8.5 beta on our Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, A55, A35 and also in lot of other Samsung models like S23 series, S24 series, S25 series, S23 FE, Jet series, etc, etc. And also Samsung has made lot of new changes and also have added lot of new features. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 new settings which you should immediately turn on after updating to One UI 8.5 beta. Otherwise guys, you are seriously missing it out. So without any delay, let me show you 5 new settings which you should immediately turn on in One UI 8.5 to get best out of One UI 8.5. Let's get started. The first new settings which you should immediately turn on is called Advanced Folder Customization. Now this is a brand new feature in One UI 8.5. Just go to Good Lock, then open Home Up Screen Settings and scroll down. You will see an option called Enable Large Folder, then select Custom. Now here is the crazy part. You can now freely resize your folders, not just small or big. You can change the shape, make it long, compact or fully expanded, and even fits more apps directly inside. So you don't have to open the folder again and again. This makes home screen cleaner, faster and way more premium. So isn't this feature so useful? Let me know in the comment. Now the second settings, or we can call it second new feature which you should immediately turn on, is called Unlock Animation. Now this one is something you will notice every single time. So just go to Good Lock and open Lockstar, and here you will find a option called Unlock Animation. You can see, just turn it on. Now you can completely change how your phone unlocks. You will get multiple animation styles like a fade, glitch, slide and lots more. And here's the best part guys, you can even control the intensity and also the animation speed. So every time you will unlock your phone, you will feel fresh, smooth and way more satisfying. It's a small change, but you will notice this every single time whenever you unlock your phone. So you can change the animation every time, like today different animation, tomorrow different animation. And the third feature which you should immediately turn on after updating to One UI 8.5 beta is called Direct Voicemail. And this feature is amazing guys. A lot of people were thinking like, will Samsung give this feature to budget phones or not? And I got this feature on my S23 FE, so I think mid-range and budget phones will also get this feature after updating to One UI 8.5. So in default, this feature is turned off. Just go to settings, just go to phone app settings and turn on this feature called Direct Voicemail. Now whenever you can't pick up a call, it will automatically go to voicemail. You can even set a timer like after 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now here's why this is very useful. If you are busy, sleeping or you don't want to pick up a call, you don't need to reject call manually. Okay, and the best part is you can even read what the caller is saying in call screen, obviously with the help of transcription. Okay, so without answering, you will already know what caller is saying. I think this is the best feature of One UI 8.5 update, and I think you should immediately turn on this feature. All right. And the fourth feature which you should immediately turn on is related to Quick Panel. And I don't believe that Samsung give this feature officially. It's related to customization. Okay, if you love customizing your phone, then you will love this feature. Let me show you why I am saying like why this feature doesn't look it's official from Samsung. To turn on this feature, you just have to open Good Lock and you have to find this module called Quick Start, tap on it and turn it on, edit panel and style, tap on it. Now what you can do is you can change the style of the control panel, including the brightness, volume and the media player. Okay, so you can add your own images. For example, the bottom box is this one. Okay, let me give you, this is the bottom box. So you can add a image in background. Let me show you. Let me tap plus over here. Let me go to gallery. Obviously it's a bit laggy because obviously it's a beta version. And if I tap any of these images, let me apply. And also I can apply on media player also. You can apply your own images. Also you can apply your like any icons also. Example, let me select this one. So if I scroll down here, you will notice that you can see the background has been applied in this box. Okay, and also in media player also I have applied that wallpaper, you can see. So you can apply this thing also. Okay, so it looks so much amazing. Also if you go to buttons, button also you can apply any images in buttons. For example, if you want to add any photos like your photos or any other photos for Wi-Fi icon, if I tap on plus, if I go to gallery again, and you can download the what we call the Wi-Fi icons or Bluetooth icons images from what we call internet. I have already downloaded, and let me apply this. And also let me tap on Bluetooth and go to gallery again. And I have also downloaded this Bluetooth what you call images. So you can see I have applied this, and if I scroll down, you will notice that this is the Bluetooth images I just applied, and this is the Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is looks so much amazing, isn't it, guys? And also you can turn on the border, the outline of the, what do we call this? And also one more thing, there is a one new feature. I think this is also a new feature, show bar levels. Okay, if you turn this on, you will see in the, you can see the brightness is 100% and also the volume is 65%. So you can do a lot of customization on your quick panel using this feature. I think you should immediately turn on this feature, the quick start, and also this one. Okay, you should immediately use this feature, and also you should also turn on this feature called show bar levels. Okay, just turn it on. It will show you all the number. Okay, the brightness is like a, it will show you the brightness, music volume number. Okay, so this is the fourth feature which you should immediately turn on after updating to One UI 8.5 beta. Now the fifth settings which you should immediately change, it's actually, it's not a proper settings, it's a clock style which you should immediately change, and let me show you why. Okay, let me lock my phone, and if I press in this clock here, and you will see this kind of screen. Obviously you must have the Lockstar plugin downloaded, and what you have to do, tap over here, okay, in clock, and you have to select, you should select, not have to, you should select this clock style. Okay, after this, just select this and tap on style, and you should select this. Okay, then tap on done. So why I am telling you to select that clock style, let me show you. If I go to gallery and if I select any photo and set that photo as lock screen wallpaper, for example, tap on lock screen. Now you will notice that the clock will adjust itself. You can see the clock is adjusting itself. This clock will adjust itself. Okay, you can obviously move the wallpaper here and there also. This is the new feature also in One UI 8.5. You can upscale the, what we call this wallpaper. You can see it will adjust automatically. So let me click on done. So the clock will adjust automatically as per the wallpaper. As you can see, you can adjust the clock. So this is the clock you should use for the lock screen. This is amazing, guys. And also obviously you can do some changes in this lock also. You can make it thin or a bit bold, and also you can change the color of this clock also. You can do a lot of customization. All right, guys, these are the 5 One UI 8.5 settings which you should immediately turn on after updating to One UI 8.5 beta on your any Samsung phones which is running on One UI 8.5. I think after turning on this feature, you will you will enjoy this feature, definitely. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also you can hype this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you have a Samsung phone, you won't be disappointed, because whenever there is a new news regarding One UI 8.5 official update, 9 update, or any updates regarding Samsung, I will always make a video and inform you guys. And in between, I always upload this kind of tips and tricks videos. So let me know in the comment, out of this 5 feature, which is your favorite feature.